Welcome to the Galaxy Unpacked 2020. Today, we are excited to introduce 5 devices to our Galaxy ecosystem.
The new Galaxy Note 20 comes in 2 versions, the Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra. The Note 20 has a 6.7-inch screen, and the Note 20 Ultra has the largest smartphone display yet in our Note series at 6.9 inches. The display is the most vivid and brightest you can find on a smartphone today. It gives great visibility indoors and outdoors. Once you experience the buttery smoothness of our 120 Hz display, it's really hard to go back. Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra have the fastest processors in the Galaxy series. Combined with our all-day intelligent battery, give you the power to last. And if you're ever running low, you can get more than 50% charge in just 30 minutes. They come with 1 camera on the front and 3 in the back. The bold design is a proud declaration on its own. It comes with an all-new laser autofocus sensor, and for Pro Video mode, we also built in extra controls to give you videos an extra kick. The zoom speed control is uber smooth. You can also make more precise adjustments on the microphone for great sound quality. The S Pen defines the Note experience.
The device predicts the next expected point of the S Pen. Since the predicted point should be closer to the real next point than the last point, the process can contribute to decreasing the latency. Also, thanks to a doubling of the display's refresh rate to 120 Hz, the Note 20 screen now shows the data from the S Pen twice as frequently as the Note 10. In the end, we reduced the latency to 9 milliseconds.
This is our all-new Galaxy Tab S7.
Tab S7 comes in 2 sizes, an 11-inch model and the larger 12.4-inch Tab S7 Plus. The Tab S7 Plus has the largest Super AMOLED on a tablet today. And remember that ultra-smooth 120 Hz display? We're bringing it to tablets for the first time. Our goal was to combine portability and style. Despite the full metal design, it's very lightweight. The Tab S7 and S7 Plus come in 3 new color options. Looks great. Now where's the S Pen? Here it is. We also built a better keyboard that's going to raise your productivity game. We've had multi-window on our tablets for years, offering a split-screen experience. And now we're letting you run up to 3 apps simultaneously. You can watch videos on YouTube and chat with friends all at the same time. Combining the new S Pen with the new 120 Hz display, we were able to significantly reduce latency. What I really love about the keyboard are the touchpad and shortcuts. The touchpad is now larger and supports multi-finger gestures, so it's easier to control your screen.
We're continuing to expand our integration across Samsung and Microsoft experiences to bring your phone and PC closer together. Last year, we announced the integration of Link to Windows and the quick panel of Galaxy phones to link your devices with a click. I'm excited to announce the new Apps feature, which gives you access to your Android apps on your Note 20 directly from your PC. You're also able to use your favorite mobile apps at the same time. So when you have WhatsApp open, you can take a little break and scroll Instagram.
Just quickly connect to the TV. There we are. And
I love that it now connects wirelessly. I connect my tab to my TV often too.
yeah, and now I can use my phone while using my TV as a second screen with Dex.
The goal is really simple. Bring the buzz of Xbox to our Galaxy users.
We're entering a new era by bringing cloud gaming to Xbox Game Pass Ultimate on September 15th. You will be able to play over 100 games in the Game Pass membership from your phone.
For those who pre-order and choose the gaming bundle, you'll get a Bluetooth controller and 3 months of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate free when it launches on September 15th.
The Galaxy Buds Live. The buds come in a choice of 3 colors, including the super chic Mystic Bronze, which I am personally loving. The wingtips face up, just like this, and they fit perfectly in the curve of my ear. When I put them in, they rest really lightly and securely. You don't have that awkward stem sticking out. I get up to 6 hours of playtime, and the charging case provides up to 21 hours in total. And the controls are easy and even customizable. So you know your favorite Spotify playlist? It's just now a tap away. You don't have to reach for your phone anymore. Best of all, Buds Live have incredible high sound quality with powerful bass boosts. You're going to love the active noise cancellation for OpenType. It's a first in our Bud series, so you can get lost in your favorite podcast, but you won't miss your subway stop because you'll be able to hear all those announcements really clearly. Buds Live provide the best call quality too, with 3 microphones and a voice pickup unit. If you're making videos with your Note 20, the microphones on your Buds Live can give you exceptional sound quality. You know, sometimes you're watching something and you're just dying to share it with a friend? The Galaxy ecosystem has a solution. I'm gonna just do a few little taps here. I can turn down the volume on both our buds at the same time. I have one more thing for you. Introducing the Galaxy Watch 3. Inspired by classic timepieces, it's modern and sophisticated. It's lightweight, luxurious, and comes in 2 sizes and 3 colors. We even have a super premium titanium model. The frame is smaller, slimmer, and lighter, while the display itself is bigger. But the advantage of our open platform is that we work with partners to offer you the largest watch face ecosystem in the industry. I know other smartphones are finally catching up and letting you make just a few selections. But I am here to tell you, we're talking over 80,000 options. You can even match them to your outfit. So all you have to do is take your phone and take a quick photo here. Just show some denim. And voila! It detects the colors and creates watch face patterns that match my clothes. At the Samsung Health Monitor on the Galaxy Watch 3 acts as my 24-hour health manager, including ways to track blood pressure, ECG, and blood oxygen saturation. The Watch 3 gives me real-time feedback, tracking my pace and form based on my run.
The final reveal, the all-new Z Fold 2.
The body is thinner, and we minimize the gap between the screens. The new Z Fold 2 sports a wider 6.2-inch full-cover display with no compromises. So even when it's closed, you have a full smartphone experience. Open the device, and you can access an even more immersive viewing experience, bringing our Infinity O display to the Z Fold 2 across a beautiful 7.6 inches. The Z Fold 2 embodies our 120 Hz refresh rate technology. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 has the most advanced flexible display ever. The dual intelligent battery will last all day. We completely re-engineered the hinge of the Z Fold 2 to improve resilience so you can use it with greater confidence in its durability. We're going to share more details on September 1st. Pre-orders begin on that day too. We've been working hard, collaborating with partners, and listening to our users to bring whole new experiences to life for the Z Fold 2.
Galaxy Watch 3 and Buds Live will be available on August 6th, and Tab S7 and Tab S7 Plus will be released on August 21st. Finally, Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra will be available in 5G models, with LTE models available in selected countries. Pre-orders begins tomorrow. Going forward, 5G and foldable will be the major pillars of Samsung's future.